Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello friends, my name is Jaydeep Jalendra Kumar. I am from Hill Polytechnic Mechanical Diploma in 3rd year. Hello friends, in this video I am going to introduce pneumatic system used by dentists. My name is Jaydeep Kumar and my project group members are Pawan Kumar More, Vishwajit Shinde and Shubham Waze. In this project, Mehta Madam guided us. Air compressor plays important role in dental surgery. A pneumatic system is a collection of interconnected components using compressed air to do work for automated equipment. Pneumatics makes use of an air compressor to reduce the volume of the air in order to increase its pressure. This then moves through the filter into pneumatic tubing, where it is controlled by valves before reaching an actuator, which does the work at the end of the process. Let's see advantages of pneumatic system in dental surgery. In dental industry, pneumatic rotating tools with interchangeable tool heads for brushing, polishing and cutting. One module handles all three dental tasks, which are water irrigation, air drying and air operated turbine for variable speed hand tools. Another controls two different air flows and a water channel. Water spray tools for drying the tooth and cleaning teeth. The third module controls water irrigation and has two open channels to control syringe and scaler hand tools. Air spray tools for drying the tooth and blowing away debris. Electric manage compress air and other functions in a simple, compact unit that helps reduce design for dental equipment manufacturers. Vacuum suction tools to remove debris and liquid waste. Pneumatics has been an integral part of dentistry for generations. Gone are the days when a series of round belts and sheathing transmitted rotational power to a handheld drill. Pneumatic is also used for another important function such as suction and blow off. Pneumatic system is easy to use and easy to maintain. Air is a substance that is easily passed or moved from one place to another through a small pipe, the long end winding. Air can be used flexibly at various temperatures are required through equipment designed for specific circumstances. Even in a quite extreme conditions, the air was still able to work. The air can be loaded more safely than it is not flammable and does not short circuit, occurs or explode. So protection against both of these rings pretty easily, unlike the electrical system that could lead to fires consulting. Air around us are tend to clean without chemicals that are harmful, and also it can minimize or clean with some processes. So it is safe to use pneumatic system to the pharmaceutical industry, food and beverage and textiles. The transfer of power and the speed is very easy to set up. Air could move at speeds that can be adjusted from low to high or vice versa. Air can be stored through the seat tube, fed excess air pressure. Moreover, it can be installed so that the pressure boundary or the safety of the system to be safe. Air either directly utilized to clean surfaces such as metal and machinery, or indirectly through pneumatic equipment to produce certain movement. Disadvantages of pneumatic system. Leaks can occur that leads to energy loss. Pneumatic equipment should be equipped with airtight equipment that compress air leaks in the system can be minimized. Pneumatic systems potentially makes noise. The air comes out pretty loud and noise so will cause noise especially on the exhaust track. For cure of noise silencer mounted on each dump line. Pressurized air is easily condensed, so before entering the system must be processed first in order to meet certain requirements, such as dry, have enough pressure and contains a small amount of lubricant to reduce friction in the valves and actuators. Save earth, save energy. Save water, plant more trees. Thanks for watching video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.